Kai Horokhoes, Habadarami, Kai Horokhoes. In the haze of the day at dawn, in what I thought was a dream of old, I saw the Kai Horokhoes. The Kai Horokhoes of the Kai coin. In other words, the great people, the aborigines of Namibia, the Ngukwen. I saw an indigenous elegance, a classic cultural attire above a fashion statement. A vigorous statement of ha dagea and also ha dageni. Hugaduge ha da aba ho da ha. What I mean to say is that I saw the Damara dress. But what I saw is not in the way you wish to see it. Umbadi. In the haste of day at dawn, in what I thought was a dream of old, I saw the Kai Horokhoes. The Kai Horokhoes I saw walked the earth with poise, sweeping the dirt beneath and therewith cleansing the land of the Abuhan. The people of the Kai Horokhoes have it that they are of the land. As a reason, we all shall one day return thereto. Kai Horokhoe ho, om rai. Kai Horokhoe ho, om rai. I could not but gasp at astonishment. Astonished I was indeed. Buruka, the elders would say. Kai Horokhoe kongarusa nkusa sera ikaise. The head was tilted with dignity and shoulders reverently held. The walk itself was a ritual, an ancient ritual I saw. I fell head over heels for the dress of the people of the hills. In the haste of the day at dawn, I saw an haste of the Kai Horokhoes. And so I knew that what I thought was a dream of old was not. The Kai Horokhoes of the Kai coin, in other words, the great peoples, the aborigines of Namibia, the Ngukwen, caught not only my eye, but also that of the horse. The crook came as a horse, and instantaneously I knew, for I came to learn that all we lost was taken away on horseback. We as a result say, Ngahasa, with much disgust. The crook, as a matter of fact, said, I will make this dress that of my people too, and better it. The Ngukwe will be made to look like a people of nothing, and that the Kai Horokhoes came from elsewhere. They took not only the Kai Horokhoes but also the Horeb. Koenge sada hona utia huhu hoye kairi. Dida on habos again wahuki mwa kairi mwa. Taibetanas kotoa odakai kankan stimi dide habedai kai dinimi kaire nuketwa kaibari san omisa when go u taking had kodi huki kairi sa huna huhu kairi